Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I have a great Father's Day gift for you that comes from theseasonedmom.com. You'll find the link down below. She gave me the inspiration for this adorable Building Memories with Dad jar. It's so cute. It's filled to the brim with little Legos with little messages. I'm going to show you how to make it right now. For this project, you'll need a mason jar, printed tags from the PDF that you can download from my website, Legos, a thin Sharpie marker, scissors, glue dots, and optional ribbon and hole punch. So the first thing that you're going to do is make yourself a list of all the fun things that you like to do with your dad. Maybe it's building things. Maybe it's reading. Maybe it's cooking. Maybe it's going on long trips. Whatever it is, or walking the dog, say. Whatever it is, you're going to write it on these Legos using a thin Sharpie pen. So I'm going to put here, walking the dog. And I'm going to write it on all of the sides here. So I've already done a bunch of them here, like cooking and singing and the beach and drawing, fishing, story time, homework, that's a big one, kites, races, water balloons, whatever you and your dad like to do. And then you're just going to place them in a mason jar. And I've done a lot of them, as you can see. You want to make this as personalized as possible because these are going to be more for your dad to read and enjoy and have memories of than they are to build with. But you can build with them as much as you want as well. So make sure that one of the things that you put on here is building with Legos. So now you can see they're inside here, and just to finish it off, we're just going to put a cute little label on here. Now I've printed up my labels, and these can be done on labels or actually on cardstock, and this is done on cardstock because I wanted to give you the option of two ways to do it. You can cut it out with a pair of scissors, just like this, just cut them out, and you can place it on here with glue dots, which I'm going to show you in a second, or you can hole punch and put a ribbon and then just tie around the mason jar like that. But I wanted to make this something that Dad could have and keep all the time on his desk. And so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use glue dots. And I'm going to place glue dots just in the corners here. So I'm going to take 4 glue dots, 1 in each corner. And then I'm just going to line it up with this part that says ball mason. I'm going to use that to make it nice and straight. And just push it down on the corners. And there you have it, Building Memories with Dad. A big shout out of thanks to theseasonedmom.com for this adorable, adorable idea. And you know what? I'm going to get building some ideas right now. For more great ideas, check us out at sophie-world.com.